preschoolers. Did you sing your song before story time? I hope you did. It's time for a story. The title of this story is My Blue Boat. Are you ready? My blue boat. She's taking a bath. She's playing with her bath toys. Catches the wind. Oh, I think she's using her imagination. I sail past the sleeping town. Here she is in her blue sailboat. Through the channel and into the busy harbor. Good morning, I call to the fishing fleet. My blue boat sails up and down the swells. The swells are like the waves in the ocean. Can you do that? It's kind of fun to do. And across the wide ocean. I dance with the whales, play with the dolphins, and steer through the storms. My blue boat dips under the moon. Look at the pretty stars. Can you count how many stars there are? Did you count them? As I look for the stars. Oh, some of them are really low. And drift back toward the beacon. There she is. There's the lighthouse. And home. She's back in bed. That was a good story. Did you like it? I sure did. All right, preschoolers. See you next time.